Rudy, you're red. Caleb, you're green.
Green. Maybe we shouldn't say that sometimes.
Well, if you want, please say it.
Yeah, I know. But like two of them right here, then you can they know. Dude, that one is so good. Well, this one's pretty good. Two green? She blows that whistle so hard.
I know.
Are you Thomas Martinez? Yeah. Okay.
He's up again?
Yeah, dude. He's got nothing on. It's because it's not the API it's You're green.